Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with a Bang. My name is Tabang. I'm a home cook. Thank you for watching. If you are a new subscriber, please hit the subscription button down at the bottom. And if you're a returning subby, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and give us suggestions on what you would like us to make for you and so forth. Please also follow us on Instagram and Twitter. We'll link our accounts below as well. Today we're making creamy butter chicken with a garlic sauce, with a bit of wine, and with basmati rice. So these are our ingredients for our chicken butter. We need chicken, obviously. I prefer drumsticks. Some people use thigh, some people use breasts, but this are my go-to. We also have crushed garlic and ginger. We have chopped onions. We have fresh lemons. We have chopped parsley. We have peppers, red, green, mix them around, whichever way you like. So we have mozzarella, which you can substitute with Parmesan cheese. And we have fresh chili. We have tomato paste. And we have chicken stock. And these are our seasonings: cayenne pepper, sweet basil, rosemary, lemon and herb. We also have fresh cream, wine, salt and pepper, and some butter. So let's get started.
Heat up a bit of oil. You can use either olive oil or normal cooking oil. Season your chicken with a bit of salt and pepper. Add the chicken to the pot, brown it for about 3 minutes on each side. Make sure your chicken is thoroughly browned on all sides, and then remove it from the pot. And you're going to use the very same pot. Add a bit of butter, crushed garlic and ginger, about half a cup of cream. Add your onions, chopped. You can use red onions for a bit of color if you'd like. Add chicken stock. Use concentrated chicken stock or liquid stock. Do not use the cubes. Stir in a bit for your sauce. Add back the chicken and let it cook. We're gonna cook it for about 15 minutes or so. Season it with sweet basil, a bit of cayenne. That's optional. Add your fresh peppers to the chicken. Stir it a bit. Add your fresh chili, that's also optional, and half a spoon of tomato paste, half a cup of white dry wine. The wine is also optional. Let it cook for about 15 minutes or so. And you're ready to serve. You can garnish it with fresh parsley. Dish up your chicken, serve it with either rice or mash. And you need to squeeze in a bit of lemon before serving. And enjoy. I always pair my chicken with a bit of white wine.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please suggest what recipes you'd like us to try out. Please tag me whenever you try my recipes. There's more on Instagram as well. Let me also try out what I made. Voila.